Hello everyone and welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. In this video, we'll discuss the no way that Coinbase and Shiba Inu coin just did this. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. We frequently hear news about Shiba Inu and Coinbase bonds, mostly about how great the news is once again. Shiba Inu started a blockchain service provider company called Unification X Fund, which is actively working on the development of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution, has gained a lot of traction these days. They recently announced on Medium that they intend to launch the Shibarium public beta test net in the third quarter, along with the fund test net upgrade that will include the highly anticipated IBCG Gravity Slew Fund update. According to Etherscan, the enigmatic XRP whale allegedly moved over $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from a Binance wallet to a custom wallet. Over $40 million in Ripple was transformed into $20 trillion by the XRP whale. Shiba Inu tokens reduced the share of SRP by 5%, while raising the share of SHIB to 21% of the wallet. With the use of a record-breaking transaction, the whale now has approximately 48.7 trillion SHIBs in its portfolio, making it the largest transaction in Shiba Inu history. The crypto whale made investors dream of 2021 when it entered the top 10 most capitalized cryptocurrencies, and it has since amassed 20,024,240 SHIB, worth 210 meters 105,106, or roughly 8%. In the week that followed. Despite the fact that Shiba and dogecoin saw an actual 80% decline in value over the past year, it appears that large investors are continuing to buy Shiba and the other popular joke coin at these cheap prices. Large corporations including Tesla, AMC, the world's largest theater company, Nike, GameStop, and Nordstrom are starting to adopt dogecoin. As of late June, data indicates that whales in the cryptocurrency market hold tokens valued at 594,715,195, or 14.48% of their total holdings. Notably, the whale in charge of the U-transfer is said to have started moving shortly after the announcement of the Shibarium of 1 billion tokens. By the end of May, the whale had already amassed roughly 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens. With this most recent transfer, the whale would have overtaken Lite, the largest Shiba token holder in the world, surpassing it. Alright, let's get back to the main topic. As 80% of Coinbase users choose to purchase the most well-liked K9-themed cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu has risen to the 11th position on the platform and is now the third most sought coin on CoinMarketCap over the last 24 hours. Shinu's popularity starts to rise on all of the main cryptocurrency exchanges and price-tracking websites as Unification in the third quarter. X Fund plans to launch the Shibarium public beta test net. In the last 24 hours, 87% of users of Coinbase, one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, have increased their net long positions in SHIB through trading. Conversely, only 133% of users prefer to sell the 14th largest cryptocurrency in the world at the same time. Shib is currently the third trending coin on the top cryptocurrency tracking website in the world, according to data given by CoinMarketCap. As a result of the aforementioned developments, Shib trading volume increased by almost 95% over the previous few days. As of this writing, the 24-hour volume for the most popular cryptocurrency with a DOC theme is 414 M6 296.33, and the price of Shiba Inu is 0.00125. As per the latest update by Crypt Basic, the XRP concentrated the enormous 20 trillion, 24,240 SHIB that the mega crypto whale has amassed valued at 210 meters 105,106 Shiba Inu, has said that the third quarter of 2022 will see the launch of the public beta test net for its Layer 2 blockchain project, Shibarium. According to an announcement, the private alpha test net of Shibarium has been quietly operating for weeks without encountering any problems, and developers feel the time is right to roll out the project for public testing. As a result, the team behind Shiba Inu decided to launch the public beta testing for Shiba Inu in the third quarter of 2022. In the third quarter, the much-awaited IP Gravity Slew Fund changes will be included in the fund. Testnet upgrade, which also involves the deployment of the Sharian public beta testnet. According to Shiba Inu's announcement, people will be able to fully interact with the network upon the rollout of Showroom for public testing, particularly by taking part in the validation process. The public beta test network will enable parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process, in accordance with unification, while Showroom is part of the initiatives under development to prove that Shiba Inu is not a meme coin, but a utility project. The main tool under heavy development is the wallet application, which is meant to be an all-inclusive application covering two-way asset transfers between L1 and L2 asset transfers on each respective level, staking SL delegating, and in future releases shibaswap integration, which will also be deployed on L2. The L2 network, which is being built on the Ethereum blockchain, is predicted to have the same capabilities as ETH scaling platform Polygon. The developers of Shibu will move all Shibu-related initiatives, such as the Metaverse project and the planned collectible card game Shytoshi, to the Layer 2 once Showroom launches. The rival cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, claimed to have recorded a record number of trades, but network cryptocurrency exchange FTX outperformed it in terms of Bitcoin trading volume in May. A recent coup report revealed that the difference between trade volumes and trade counts suggests that the average dollar value per trade on Coinbase was less than that on FTX. The average trade size on FTX 2K doll is almost twice that on Coinbase 1K for the BTC USD pair. Despite the allegations, Coinbase continued to retain its user base. According to coup experts, a number of smaller exchanges, like Bitstamp and Bitfinex, lost a significant portion of their market share. This shows that the market is consolidating a rather extended pessimistic feeling, with smaller firms finding it more difficult to stay competitive. Peruses the report. Coinbase also announced a significant increase in trading volumes last month, but it was unable to surpass the record high set during the sell-off on May 19, 2021, in the midst of China's crackdown on Bitcoin. The problems included Finance's sporadic suspension of Ethereum-related token withdrawals and Kraken reporting user connectivity issues. Additionally highlighted in the study is the Coinbase Premium, which is the distinction between the actual Bitcoin prices on the BTC USD pair on Coinbase and Binance. The premium was positive for over 6 months until going negative in May. Core Scientific recently released first quarter 2022 revenue figures, showing a total revenue of $12.5 million, up $138.3 million, or 25%, from $54.2 million. Hosting and revenue from digital asset mining drove the majority of the rise in overall revenue. The overall hosting income of $33.2 million climbed by $20.5 million, or 162%, from $12.7 million, despite a decline in equipment sales. The rise in client hosting, the execution of new related party hosting contracts for miners deployed, and the onboarding of new clients were the main sources of revenue. The $26.3 million in total equipment sales to consumers fell by $5.6 million, or 18%. Less miners being deployed was the main factor behind the decline in equipment sales to customers, while equipment sales to linked parties, which were fueled by a greater demand for new generation mining equipment, somewhat offset the decline. Revenue from digital asset mining increased from $9.6 million to $1,133.0 million, or $123.4 million, or 1,281. The self-mining hash rate climbed by 1,975 to 8.3 EHs from 0.40 EHs, which was the main factor behind the year-over-year increase in mining income. 322 bitcoins in total were awarded. As opposed to 206, the average price of Bitcoin was $41,250, down 7% from $442 in the previous session. The $12.5 million price tag from $39.7 million to $82.8 million, or 209% more in revenue. That concludes our talk for today. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.